In this last video of this series, we will learn how to remove followers using the Go High Level workflows. So if we take a quick look at our pipeline right here, and if you recall, based on our automations that we had created this specific automation where we added followers when somebody booked a visit because we wanted to add in some staff members who will be assisting in showing our customers the properties. So now let's say if somebody did book and they became a customer, now the staff members that we added in as followers are not relevant anymore because it will just be one salesperson who will be closing them, and we do not need those followers or staff members to be a part of this process anymore. So in that case, we can consider removing them as followers from the opportunities, trying to keep things as clean as possible. So in this video, we'll just set that up. So I'm going to create another automation. So we'll go ahead and create this from scratch here. And this is our 7th workflow, which is to remove followers once closed. So for this, the trigger will be once somebody moves over to the closed stage, right? So I'll go here and select pipeline state changed. And from the filters, I will select the pipeline here, which is going to be the real estate pipeline. And then I will choose the pipeline state changed to closed, and that will be our trigger. If you do not want to use the pipeline state change triggers, you can also trigger it based on a tag. For example, I do have a tag, which is when somebody gets a paid tag. We can also trigger it that way. So it's completely up to you which trigger you want to use. I will just keep it to pipeline state change for now, so I can show you once I drag it, it should remove the followers from this opportunity right here. So right now it does have somebody attached, but we will test that in a minute. So we'll go here and add that action, which is going to be remove followers. So if you just search for that, we will select this right here, and then you can either choose a user that you want to remove, or in this case, I will just remove all followers regardless whoever it is, because they are not relevant anymore once a lead has been closed. So we will go ahead and click on save action, and then I'm going to just publish and hit save right here. And now we should be able to test it. So if we go back here and then move this lead to the closed section right here, we should be able to see once we open the card that the followers are not attached anymore. And if we go to the execution logs now, you will see that it did work. So this is how we can make sure that we remove the followers once they are not relevant anymore, ensuring a clean process throughout. So that was all about this video and this series as well. I hope you found value. Again, if you follow this series from start to finish, you will be able to automate your customer pipeline, and this will help you in scaling your business and keeping things organized. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them right below. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.